Here we come to the elevators at Wegmans in Tyson's, Virginia, McLean, Virginia. We got some ThyssenKrupp elevators. Look how huge this cab is. Going to 1. I think they're hydraulic traction. Alright. We'll go down to B3. Nice elevator, huge elevator. These are your fixtures. Here we are at B3.
Level B3.
Set this one up. I think the capacity is like 5,000, I think, or 4,000. There goes that one, and we're gonna ride the other one. I think they're traction or hydraulic. I couldn't tell because I can't hear the motor and the fan is on, so I couldn't hear it. So we're gonna ride the other car. And I'm talking over this music so I can avoid a copyright. So it might be the same car again, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, there's that one. Going to 1. Here we are at 1. On the B3. This is a cab view. Just your same size elevator as well. Just some fixtures. I'm stopping at B1. Coming out? Come on out. We are at B3.
Level B3.
All right. There it goes. That's it.